What's cracking, y'all? So yeah, man, this episode, man, my boy Gordy hit me up. He got a 3 Series. I think it's a E90 3 Series, maybe like a 328 or something. It won't start. And yeah, he said his battery cable ripped and it won't start. So I'm thinking it's the IBS sensor. So we're gonna go up there, check everything out, see why it won't start, and hopefully figure it out. So stay tuned. You on the way. So he stay at where I want to stay at when I get my YouTube money. So if y'all keep subscribing, keep following, keep, you know what I'm saying, keep getting your boy channel cracking, man, I am gonna move up there. You know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? No trip. I'm gonna try to bring y'all with me, but for the most part, I'm gonna be up here chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? So please subscribe, man. I'm trying to live like this. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I'm trying to live like that. You know, look at these houses coming up. I'm trying to live like this. So, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to your boy channel, man. Please, man. So, yeah, you see, here they ain't organized, man. So, it's cutting on and cutting off. I'm thinking it is. As you see how rusty and dirty and corroded them cables are down there. So, number one, we need to clean up the rusty, dirty cable connections. Then right here, there's a fuse that goes from here to here. I don't know what that is. Gotta figure that out. And that's pretty much it. Everything else pretty much stopped. Then we got the wagons. What do y'all think? Should I come pull up, have the homie help the homie out, man? It look like he need my help, don't it? Look like he need my help, bro. First, it's gonna be this one, huh? E34 wagon. You know what I'm saying? Subframe needs to go back on. The frame's not straight, so that's most definitely gonna have to be fixed. And with these wagons, you're gonna have to put some coilovers in this thing. So it's just basically fix the front end on this, get the front end on this straight, right? Then on the E93 wagon, of course it has no motor, right? No motor. Gutted. Gutted. You feel me? So why does he have a wagon that's gutted? Oh, wait, what's this in the cut? 335i. Crashed. That my boy crashed his 335. The motor was good. This car was probably making like low key, no lie, at least 600 horsepower. This car is like fast, super fast. And now it's crashed, so he's gonna pull the motor out of the 335 and put it in the wagon. But it's been months and nothing's happened. So should your boy come pull up and take over and help the homie finish his whip and get, look at all this stuff, man. Look at all this stuff, man. So should I pull up, man, help the homie finish? Clear out his garage. Get it cracking. This is ridiculous, bro. Like, I thought I was bad, but this is bad, bro. The homie need intervention, man. 1M bumper. This won't even come off. Wow, bro. Parts over here. Crazy. So, if I come pull up on the homie, I help him with 2 projects, which is the E34 wagon. And then we swap everything from this to that. Content, y'all. Content. Then I wire everything up, make it pretty. We do some content. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know. Let me know what y'all think. So I'll get the homie out of his crisis. Yeah, y'all. So in that car, the red power cable is messed up. It has like a short in it. So he has to replace that cable and he should be back on the road, because if you wiggle that cable, then the car won't turn on. But when it's in the right place, then it'll cut on. So that cable needs to be replaced and he'll be back in the game. And as far as his other cars, what y'all think? Should I pull up on them and help fix them and swap them out? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. But yeah, man, that's it for today, y'all. A little quick little diagnostics. Peace.